Hey everyone, I'm here. Simply You Makeup. You choose the right channel to watch today because over here we empower, we uplift, and we try to create an atmosphere where we can all feel that we belong. On how I do a deep treatment on short, natural colored hair. If you want to see that video, go check it out. But right now, since my hair is marinating, I'm gonna do my face with a mask so I can do double duty while everything is happening. So I do this. I am using this clay mask by Olay. I like it because you can bring it up and you can bring it down. So this is what I need, so I do this. Today I'm pampering myself. I did my hair, now I'm doing my face. And that is what I am doing. I try to go over it more than once because I'm going to leave it for like 15 minutes. I like using these because they're easy and quicker to use. So now I just bring it back down and it has a screw top and I put it away until I'm ready to use it again. I try to do it once or twice a week because I'm not a big mask person, but I like the results I get when I'm finished doing it. So this is what my face looks like. When the 15 minutes is up, I'll come back and show you what it looks like. And then when I wash it off, I'll show you what my face looks like before I moisturize it. This is what my face looks like after the mask has dried on there. See, it's all dry. So I am going to use one of this makeup erasers thingy. I wet one of the makeup erasers. Hopefully you can see my lighting because I'm in the bathroom. I'm going to wipe all of this off. This is what the rag looks like. Move to the other side. I'm trying to get you to see at the same time. We'll look in the mirror, so I use the other side. This is my face after I take it off. I'm gonna rinse this one more time and rinse my face and I'll show you. Okay, now that I've rinsed it off, clean, I'm gonna take it and pass over my face. There is nothing on there the second time around, so my face is clean. This is it. My skin looks nice. Take a piece of paper and towel, and I'm just going to damp it off so you can see what it looks like. This is my skin after the mask. I really love these masks. I have like 3 different ones. I also have this one, which is the dark one. It's almost done. It's like right here. I've used a lot of it. And I have the gray one. This one has more, and the pink is here. Like I said, sometimes I'll use them often and sometimes I don't. But the pink one is this. I don't have my glasses. You can read that. And the gray one is this. You can read that. I don't have my glasses, so I'm giving it to you so you can read it. And the black one, I know is the detox one. Because it's written big enough, this is what it looks like. But that's what it is. I just have to get myself to use it often. Sometimes I'll use it once a week, but I think twice a week is a better choice for me, so I'll have to push myself to use it twice a week. But other than that, this is what my face is looking like. And I thank you for stopping by this channel and choosing this channel to watch, because you pick a good channel to watch. Remember, trust yourself and the decisions that you make. If when you make a decision you're having doubts, step back, rethink it, recalculate it, make sure it's in tune with what it is that you want, and then do it in small doses. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply Your Makeup, is saying to live a fabulous, healthy life. Have fun. And that's my skin after my mask. I have a hair mask in my hair, marinating for the last half an hour. I'm going to take it out. Check that video to see what it looks like. Okay, I love you all. Bye bye.